Let's be honest. You get paid, and a few days later, you're broke again. Not next month, not next week, a few days. And here's the problem: people think this is normal. It's not. You're working, you're earning, but somehow you're still stuck. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. Now, let's be clear. Yes, salaries are tight right now, but that's not the full story because some people with the same salary are managing. Reason number one: you have no plan for your money. Your salary comes in and you just start spending. Bills here, food there, a few extras. No structure, no control. Reason number two: all your expenses hit at the same time: rent, bills, groceries. So your money disappears immediately. Reason number three: lifestyle leaks. Small spending you don't track. Food on the road, quick purchases, random spending. Individually small, but together you feel it. This is the real issue. You don't have a system, no way to split your salary, control spending, plan ahead. So every month feels the same. And here's the truth: if nothing changes, this will keep happening. Next payday, same story. You don't just need more money, you need control. Control of where your money goes, when it's spent, how it's structured. There's a simple way to structure your money so your money lasts longer. Most people just don't know it. In the next video, I'll show you how to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start taking control of your money. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.